Hunger was killing them slowly. They were desperate for food. Food was right there waiting. The hunt had to happen. The land seemed endless. Hope appeared in the distance. They found their target. Silent signals planned everything. The target was absolutely massive. She watched with growing fear.
Hey YOU, want to see more incredible survival stories? Subscribe right now.
The strategy was unfolding perfectly. Two groups moved like one. The attack exploded into action. The chase was thundering forward. Terror drove them forward. The trap was perfectly ready. They drove the giants perfectly. Discipline kept them waiting. The plan was working perfectly. The ambush erupted instantly. They prepared to strike. Weapons flew with deadly aim. This was the moment. The giant crashed down.
We did it!
Both groups claimed victory.
If you think we're brilliant survivors, smash that like button now.
Success created dangerous conflict. Voices erupted in anger. Words became violent action. Fists settled the dispute. The battle spread everywhere. War erupted over survival. Strength claimed dominance. Victory followed the pattern.
What would you do in this situation? Tell me in the comments, I want to know.
She witnessed terrible violence. The battle raged around food. War consumed everything. The earth shook with fury. She feared for her tribe. Alarm raced across the land. Voices summoned the tribe. The tribe answered with unity.
This story is incredible. Share it with your friends and subscribe for more amazing prehistoric adventures.
Wisdom knew when to retreat. Victory came at great cost. Warriors paid the price. Joy raced toward victory. Hearts celebrated together. The tribe found peaceful rest. Teamwork moved the impossible. They carried hope home. The procession moved forward. They navigated every obstacle. Waters teemed with life. Skies ruled the waters. Determination conquered nature. Home welcomed the victors. They mastered fire. Tools transformed victory into food. Flames cooked the feast. Sharing strengthened bonds. Hunger became triumph.